Morning everyone, this is Carey, and today I'm going to show you a place in Bukit Jugra, Banting, where all and most of the people in Banting come here for a morning jog or even hiking. I reached here around 6:30 in the morning. It was totally dark and there was not many people. So I saw another person and we joined, and both of us went up the hill. So the interesting part about this Bukit Jugra is that it's next to a Chinese cemetery. So Bukit Jugra is one of the one and only hill in Banting, and then at the middle of the checkpoint there's also a lighthouse where you can have a panoramic view of the surrounding area. Okay, you can see the beautiful Banting and also the coastal side of the Banting area as well. And after the checkpoint, we march into further I think a more private trail that we can go along further up the hill. Almost to the tip of the hill, but as we can see here, there's another restricted zone by TUDM, so we can't cross over. But I don't think I can snap any pictures or video further, but you can have a look just behind me. Yep, it's a restricted zone. I think you can go further up some more. Yeah, and it's quite interesting because I saw some tree falling in the middle of the path where, you know, when I think about it, it's just like life. You face a lot of obstacles, and it's either that you cross past the hurdle, or you choose to find other alternative. And for this, I choose other alternative. Down the hill, I saw it's like a ruins of the office. They call it a pejabat tanah lama. Very interesting as well. So it's part of the heritage, I think. Here I am now. Look at the signboard here, and this is where I started. So ciao, bye bye.